So let's go first with fashion trends. There are certain things that people are doing that are really harmful to their overall health in general. Okay, so the first thing that I would say in regards to any fashion choice that you make sure that there's no pain involved. Okay, so lots of times, let's give an example. Shoes. We all love to wear nice shoes. Guys and girls, though, are both very much so into shoes, but what they do that's really bad sometimes is wearing extremely tight shoes, and that puts you into a situation whereby it can set you up for lots of fungal infections, issues with what we call like a subungual hematoma, meaning that you can have a collection of blood between the toenails because your shoes are so tight that there's that friction between the nail and the shoe that blood can actually collect up. So we're talking to anyone who wears earrings. Heavy earrings chronically can cause problems with the earlobes. I'm not sure if you've seen anyone that has a tear in their earlobes. So chronically doing that can cause problems with tears in the earlobes, and blacks in particular, we're more prone to having issues with keloids. So you can actually have keloid formation after you do have that tear of the earlobe. And when you do have the tear and it needs to be repaired, it usually has to be surgically, again, for you to wear the kinds of earrings that you would want to wear.
And the third one?
Third one, let's talk about the kind of underwear we wear, okay? So if you are someone who likes to wear thong underwear a lot, that could be problematic. For the ladies, it puts you at an increased risk of certain infections, like fungal infections, or I should say yeast infections, and also bacterial infections like bacterial vaginosis. This is something that can occur if you wear thongs all the time. And the reason that is because when you're wearing a thong, it's just a thin little, you know, piece of, think of it as like a thin piece of dental floss per se. That's how thin it is. So it serves as kind of a conduit or channel whereby, you know, bacteria from the anal region can actually travel to the vaginal region, causing all of these problems.
Can it cause a tear as well?
A tear?
Yeah.
I suppose if there's a lot of friction there, but for the most part, that's not really one of the issues. The infection component is one of the issues.
Okay, so let's talk about